Dr. Javeri. I'm from Biomall. Biomall is an online marketplace for laboratory and life science products. It has more than 1 million products from 150 brands. And we have joined hands with a lot of suppliers and we export their products all over the world. We have exported to more than 65 countries. And our office is located in Mumbai. And we have been participating in this exhibition for several years. For more information, visit www.biomall.in. Thank you.